In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to play NBA 2K24 on your Nintendo Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. To begin, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the home page. If you have already purchased NBA 2K24, you should see it listed on your home page. If not, you will need to purchase the game from the Nintendo eShop. Once the game is purchased, it will automatically appear on your home page. Look for the game and click on it to proceed. Upon selecting the game, you may be prompted to update it or manage user data. This is a normal process, and you should follow the on-screen instructions. If everything is in order and no updates are needed, click OK to continue. You will then need to select the game again to start it up. At this point, the system will ask you to choose which profile you want to use for gameplay. Select the profile you wish to play with, and the game will begin loading. Please note that this process might take a few moments, so be patient as the game loads. Once the game has started, you will be presented with various teams and logos on the screen. Click OK to proceed to the next step. You can now select the game mode you wish to play, pick your team, and choose the players you want on your roster. Once you've made your selections, the game will begin and you can start enjoying the action. Now, enjoy the gameplay. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.